Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I wanted to share a haul that I got from the Alina craft store. And they didn't come in on time for me to use these during Christmas, but not all of it is Christmas. So, I know I had mentioned to you guys that I don't have very many shaker, sequins. So I had placed an order and they came in, so I thought I would share them with you guys. So this is a beautiful green. I could actually use this in the springtime as well. So I ordered this green, and these are just your regular round sequins. And these are the Christmas greens that I can use during St. Patrick's Day if I wanted to. But this one, they had a rubber band around it because these were a bundle. So I got these two. And of course, they didn't come in on time because, our mail during Christmas time is super, super slow. I really thought I had ordered it on time, but apparently not. And this is the next little bundle that I got, and these are red, and these are like they're yellow, but like an antique yellow. I don't know, but these are like the yellow ones, and I can use these for Valentine's Day. And I have a project that I'm gonna make for Valentine's Day, and I will probably be using some of these red ones. And these are silver. These are silver hearts. They're so pretty, guys. Oh my goodness. I know that's kind of hard to see, but they are silver hearts. Let me see if I can show you. And I love the little bags that they're in because they're reusable, resealable. But look at that. Aren't those pretty? Oh, I like those. Now I kind of wish I would have ordered them in gold. I don't know if they had them in gold, but I like those. Those are so pretty. And I also ordered some red hearts, and these, oh, they're pretty. So I had never ordered any sequins from the, it says Alina cutle. I had never ordered any sequins from her store, but I think maybe I'll place another order. And these are just the pink flowers. They're pink iridescent. And then this one, I had actually ordered this one for Christmas. And this one, they look like little snowflakes. And they're really pretty teal blue almost. I like these. They're really, really pretty. But the ones that I was the most excited about were the little peppermints. Now, I didn't get to use the peppermints, so I may have to, during, the year, I may have to make something with these because these are so adorable, the little peppermints. And I had seen, quite a few people haul these, and I thought, oh my gosh, those are so adorable. So, I don't know. I think I can maybe use some of these peppermints for Valentine's Day. I'm not sure if I could get away with that, but I may be able to. But anyway, they did not come in on time, which was a little disappointing, but not her fault. So I was excited to receive them anyway. And I think I got a fairly decent amount of colors, a good selection of colors. But anyway, I will have to, you know what, guys? The red hearts would look so good with the XOXOs from the dollar spot at Target. I think, where are my hearts? Right here. Yeah, this makes a good combination. I am thinking I'm going to try something with that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. And it was just a small haul that I wanted to share with you guys. And thanks a lot for watching. Talk to everyone later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.